Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, now we are going to solve the exercise of lesson number 4, weather and climate. Short questions. Answer the questions. Question number 1, what is the difference between weather and climate? Answer, weather is a short term and climate is long term climate. Climate is the average weather conditions in a particular area over a long period of time, usually 30 years or more. It includes patterns of temperature, humidity, rainfall, and wind. Weather. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a specific place and time. It keeps changing day by day. In simple terms, weather tells us if it's sunny, rainy, hot, or cold outside. Question number 2. How does altitude affect the temperature of a region? Answer, temperature decreases as you go higher from sea level. That is why the temperature of the hilly areas is lower and it gets colder in the areas like Gilgit-Baltistan. The plains are at a lower elevation than the sea level, so the temperature in these areas is moderate. Question number 3. What are the safety measures to follow during an earthquake? Answer, if you are indoors, stay there. Take cover under a table or desk. Stay away from windows and heavy objects that could fall. Move away from buildings, trees, street lights, and power lines. Stay in an open area where nothing can fall on you. Question number 4. What is population density and how is it calculated? Answer, population density is the number of people living in 1 square kilometer or 1 mile. It tells us how crowded a specific area is. Population density is not the same in all regions of the world. China is the largest country in the world in terms of population. Pakistan and India are also among the most populous countries. Australia, Greenland, and Canada are less populated countries. With the help of given formula, we can find out the population density of a specific area. Density of population is equal to total number of population divided by total area. Question number 5. What are the factors that contribute to rapid population growth in Pakistan? Answer, there are many causes of rapid population growth, such as increasing birth rate. Pakistan has a very high birth rate, due to which the population is increasing rapidly. Lack of family planning. The trend of family planning is not very common among the people of Pakistan. This is the main reason for the increase in population. Child marriage. The practice of child marriage is very common in many regions of the Pakistan. This is also a reason for population growth. Desire for a son. People in Pakistan attach great importance to the birth of a son, which is a major reason for the increase in population. Now we are going to solve long questions. Write detailed answers to the following questions. Question number 1. Explain the difference between weather and climate and describe the factors that influence the climate of a region. Answer, climate is the average weather conditions in a particular area over a long period of time, usually 30 years or more. Weather is the condition of atmosphere at a specific place and time. It keeps changing day by day. Here are some of the key factors that affect the climate. Distance from equator. Areas that are located near the equator show high temperatures. Altitude from sea level. Temperature decreases as you go higher from sea level. Wind patterns. Winds play a key role in affecting the climate of a region. Winds carry warm or cool air from one place to another. Ocean currents. Ocean currents are large movements of water in the ocean. These currents affect the temperature of the air above them, which in turn affects the climate of coastal areas. Question number 2. Discuss the impact of global warming and suggest various ways to reduce its effects on the environment. Answer. If the amount of carbon dioxide and other gases in the atmosphere is high, these gases block the sun rays in the atmosphere, which increases the temperature. It is called the greenhouse effect. Earth's temperature is increasing due to greenhouse effect. This is called global warming. Ways to reduce global warming effects. The effects of global warming can be reduced in many ways. Number 1, we should plant more trees. It can reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the air, which is the main cause of global warming. Number 2, cutting down the trees should be stopped. Number 3, instead of using coal and gas as fuel, solar energy should be used. Number 4, we should not use vehicles that emit smoke. Number 5, the number of vehicles on the road should be reduced. Last one, smoke from factories should be controlled. Next long question is, what are the natural disasters? Describe the safety measures for floods and earthquakes. Answer. Natural disasters are extreme events caused by nature that can affect the lives of people, animal, and environment. In Pakistan, we experience various types of natural disasters such as flood, earthquake, cyclone, avalanches. Safety measures for floods. Immediately leave the area when there is a risk of flood. Be aware of and follow the instructions issued by the government. If you are in a flooded area, stay away from power lines and poles. Try to protect yourself from flood water as it can cause diseases. Food and medical aid should be provided immediately to the flood affected people. Now, safety measures for earthquakes. If you are indoors, stay there. Take cover under a table or desk. Stay away from the windows and heavy objects that could fall. Identify safe places in each room where you can take cover during an earthquake, such as under study table or against an inside wall. Drop to your hands and knees, cover your head and neck, and hold on to something until the shaking stops. Now we are going to start true and false. Write T for true statements and F for false statements. Number 1, weather remains constant over long period of time. The statement is false. Number 2, climate refers to the weather conditions of a specific place at a given time. False. Number 3, winds can bring both warm and cold air, affecting the climate of a region. True. Number 4, human activities such as deforestation have no impact on the climate. Statement is false. Number 5, global warming is caused by the accumulation of carbon dioxide and other gases in the atmosphere. Statement is true. Next one, circle the correct option. MCQs. Number 1, what is the primary difference between weather and climate? Option A, long term versus short term. Option B, daily versus long term. Option C, affected by altitude. Option D, constant versus changing. Option A is correct, long term versus short term. Number 2, what is the main cause of global warming? Option A, carbon dioxide. Option B, greenhouse gases. Option C, lack of rain. Option D, renewable energy. Option B is correct, which is greenhouse gas. Number 3, which of the following is not a safety measure during an earthquake? Option A, take cover. Option B, stay near windows. Option C, drop to knees. Option D, move to open area. And the correct option is B, stay near windows. Number 4, what is the most significant cause of floods in Pakistan? Option A, low currents. Option B, heavy rainfall. Option C, high altitude. Option D, strong winds. Correct option is option B, heavy rainfall. Number 5. Which human activity contributes to climate change? Option A, planting trees. Option B, solar energy. Option C, deforestation. Option D, reducing emissions. And the correct option is option C, deforestation. We have completed the lesson number 4, weather and climate. Hope you have completed your exercise and got the idea and understanding of the lesson. Thank you for your cooperation.